Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Swing Mode in Mario Tennis Aces. Swing Mode transforms your living room into a tennis court, offering an immersive experience. You'll need one Joy-Con controller per player, held like a tennis racket. The game uses motion controls to simulate real tennis swings, making every match feel dynamic and engaging. Get ready to serve, volley, and smash your way to victory with intuitive movements. To begin, hold your Joy-Con securely in your dominant hand, as if it were a tennis racket. For a forehand, swing your arm across your body, from your non-dominant side to your dominant side. For a backhand, reverse this motion, swinging from your dominant side across to your non-dominant side. Remember to keep your swings fluid and controlled. Jerky movements can lead to inaccurate shots. Practice these basic swings to build muscle memory. Mario Tennis Aces offers various shot types to master. For a powerful flat shot, hit the ball when it is directly in front of you. To execute a topspin, swing your Joy-Con with an upward motion, causing the ball to dip sharply. Conversely, a downward swing creates a slice, making the ball float and curve. Precise timing is absolutely essential. Hitting the ball too early or too late will result in weaker or out-of-bounds shots. Experiment with these to find your rhythm. To elevate your game, focus on court positioning. Always try to return to the center after each shot, preparing for your opponent's next move. Anticipating where your opponent will hit the ball allows you to set up for powerful returns. Don't forget to use charged shots by holding your swing briefly before impact, unleashing extra power and creating challenging angles. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastering Swing Mode and dominating the court.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.